I'm recording now, by the way. That's James cooking there.
Burger?
What?
Burger?
Yeah, I'm fucking 2 burgers and no cheese.
Onion?
No.
You don't like onion?
I don't even like onion, it makes a fucking fart.
Sam, get the other pan out.
Hello, William! Say hello!
Where's the other pan? Leave! Where's the other pan?
What?
Leave! I'm sleeping there.
Oh.
Onions in that tub.
Sam, got the pan. What the hell are the onions anyway?
Doing that bite of that tub.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, right.
This is some of the Jam Joss, who's known as Total Tech Radar, is sweet. And there's Willis Spartans, if I didn't choose his YouTube name, and there's Gummy Bear Master.
What up?
Okay, now.
Put some oil in. All the onions in there.
Okay, they're just cooking some burgers.
Well, smells good, by the way.
That's alright. Okay.
Yeah.
What you looking at?
Oil in there. Do you like that smell?
Look at how junk.
I like that smell.
Junk there.
Smell the burnt burgers. Good.
Not bad.
I'll be up at 7 o'clock reminding me, so anyone that wakes up and it's 7 o'clock, just tell me, yeah?
Yeah,
Start
well,
making your breakfast.
there's our food.
Not ready, don't what? Wow, Sam. Wow.
Well, come on. 1 onion, 2 onions, 3 onions, 4. Hold on. There we go.
Oh, by the way, hi.
Who cares?
Who cares? Be careful with that.
I know. I just told him to. Be careful.
What's this?
That's not oil.
Yeah, it is.
There you go.
What the hell is this?
Now stick that on. Where's the lid for this?
The lady's over there.
I'm gonna look for the web. Well, hang on. You can see, well, it's quite.
Don't show any sign where I live. You fool.
It's got it.
James lives down the street.
Alright, yeah. Well, by the
I
way,
live at Colburn.
sorry about that. Okay. He's just texting, let's see.
Why are you saying sorry?
He's on Facebook!
Yeah.
Sam, lighter.
Spider.
How them burgers are going on. Very nice.
Kill it.
You have to turn that on first.
Yeah.
For God's sake.
Let me just set this camera up. Get the tripod for my iPod here. There you go. See this works.
How is it? It's not raining.
It won't work.
You won't work.
I've realised.
What are you doing? Don't do that. You're making the water come through.
Yes, William.
That's what I wanted to.
Will, go get 4 plates out on the table.
Right.
Ready.
Can't do that. Fuck yeah.
And here's cutlery.
Oh, I thought there'd be chocolate.
Where's the plate?
Plates in here. Have a look. Oh, they could be here.
Yeah, the plates are there.
And stick a load of them out and get 1 bottle of Pepsi out as well. Why have we got a potato masher?
Because we might cook some potatoes.
Doubt it, I haven't bought any.
Right, we'll mash up the bloody burgers then. Have you got
Fucking
Bunsen
hot in
burgers?
here.
Oh yeah, we have Bunsen burgers.
Open the door.
No.
Yeah.
How many minutes should I put this video on?
No,
I want this to cook, not like not cook.
No, it's rising cool. Sam, hold this.
Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, that.
Stop being gay. Sunday.
What?
You're gay.
I'm not gay.
My God, it's so warm.
It's got my bed.
Get it warm in here.
Tonight we might be thinking of playing Russian roulette.
Spider.
Pretty awesome, my idea.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Oh, nice.
Take that back. With all of those.
Hi, James.
Right. Sam.
Hi Sam.
Take them all back.
Welcome to our new YouTube group.
It's our new crib.
Yeah, until we get a better one.
This is our home. You know what's funny? Pretty much all of us will be doing the same thing, but in an actual building.
Pretty much so.
For all time.
This is just a head start.
Yeah.
Mad house there.
This is almost 6 minutes long.
This is basically documenting our lives.
Yeah.
And how shit
We'll
James
survive
cooks
one day.
burgers.
Well, we all know it's fucking shit.
Yeah, remember the time when he
Nearly burnt down the house.
yes.
And my God, it's hot in here.
What?
Take off all your clothes.
You're hot.
Pick up all your clothes. Burgers are ready.
Take a break if you want on pause.
Okay, I can't pause it by the way.
Just
Well,
make
then
it
just
part
stop it.
one.
See you guys.
Part one.
This is our camping video. See you guys.